Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12x, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your screen, all you need to do is press and hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll get this pop-up right here, at which point you can let go of the buttons, and here you have scroll and share options visible, and after a moment, as you've seen, they just disappear. Once they do so, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application. Just gonna back out, and typically you would be located in the Photos tab. So best course of action would be to navigate to Albums, Screenshots, and you can see there's the screenshot that I have just captured. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.